Welcome back with the new topic of the HTML. Today's topic is unordered list. That means bulleted list. How would you create bulleted list in HTML document? To discuss bulleted list, this is my HTML document. Already I have created, and then within body you have to write the code of unordered list. Suppose I am writing the co-curricular activity activities, and then I will make a list of different activities. Okay, so for bulleted list I have to give UL, that means unordered list. This is the tag. This is the tag of the unordered list. Then the type attribute you have to give. Type means which type of bullets you want to use. Suppose I am using the circle. This is one type of bullet, and attribute you have to write within double quote. See, already I have given within double quote you have to write the value of this attribute, and then go to next line using li. Li means new line attribute, so new line tag. So li I am writing the name of the co-curricular activities. So li, then again you have to give li. Suppose I am writing drama, then again you have to give li, then write art and craft. Okay, then again you can give li. Suppose I am writing the dance. Okay, so in this way you have to write different items which you want to create using bulleted list. Then you have to close the tags ul, because ul is the unordered list tag. So these four items I have written, and I want to write in unordered list means using bullets. So ul tag already I have started here, and after writing the items which you want to keep in using same bullets, and then close this tag. Okay, so let's see how what will be the output. Save. Already I have saved this file, and then go to the, this is the file already I have saved, and then go to the file, refresh, see co-curricular activity, then music, drama, art and craft, dance, these four items using bullets. So circle is the bullets of this type of bullets, just look like a circle. So mainly three types of bullets are there. Already I have used circle type. Now I am using the type disc. disk is another type of bullet. So save and then go to the Internet Explorer window, refresh. See, disk means the solid circle. See, okay. Then go to the notepad, another one, and this is the last one, square. Okay, square, and then save, go to the output page, refresh. See, this is the solid square. Okay, so in this way you can change different bullets, and three type of bullets you can use: circle for only circle, and disk for solid circle, and square for solid square. Okay, then if you want to delete any item, just delete it and see what will be the output. Sorry, save and go to the output page, refresh it. See, one item already deleted. So in this way you can write the bulleted list, means unordered list. If you want to create another list after this, you can just enter, and then again you have to type the ul, then type. Suppose you want to use disk, so give disk, then which item you want to type here, just type the, suppose I am writing different animal name, so tiger. Okay, then li, suppose lion. So in this way you can type the different item names, and then you have to close the ul. I am closing here. If you want to create more, you can. And before that, just I am writing here the animals. Okay, so let's see the output. Save and go to the Internet Explorer page, refresh, see animals, and then wait just a minute. See, this is the animals, and different animals names are there. So in this way you can create different list. Okay, see, co-curricular activities and animals. So in this way you can create different list. See again. So suppose if you write here, see, type disk you have not given. Suppose you are not giving the type, then what will be the output? Which type of bullets will be created? See, save and then Internet Explorer page, refresh. So this is the solid circle. So if you do not give any type, then the solid circle, that means disk type of bullet, will be created by default. Okay, so in this way you can create the bulleted list. Suppose in first Suppose you have not given the type, just type the ul, here not type. So by default, see the Dix type of, see it's solid circle. There was solid circle, but now it is the Dix type of bullets. So this is the, it was solid square, but now it is the solid circle. So by default, the bullets is the solid circle if you do not give the type attribute. Okay, so in this way you can create the bulleted list. So today's video up to this, that's all for today. Next day for the next topic of the HTML. Thank you.